Welcome to our roundup of the best PC case options. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig, a clean workstation setup, or a stylish showcase PC, we've selected top-rated cases that combine airflow, design, and functionality. We'll break down each model's key features like cooling support, build quality, cable management, and expandability to help you find the perfect fit for your setup. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal PC case for you. The first on the list is the NZXT H7 Flow RGB PC case. The NZXT H7 Flow RGB PC case is designed for builders who prioritize airflow and aesthetics in equal measure. Featuring high airflow mesh design, pre-installed RGB fans, and spacious interior layout, this case ensures optimal cooling performance while delivering a visually stunning setup. The perforated front panel allows unrestricted air intake, making it perfect for high-end components that generate significant heat. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow RGB PC case is a well-balanced option that delivers excellent airflow, attractive lighting, and an easy building experience, making it a great choice for both gamers and PC enthusiasts. Next up is the Lian O11 Vision Compact PC case. The Lian O11 Vision Compact PC case stands out with its elegant design and showcase capabilities. It features triple-tempered glass panels, dual-chamber layout, and optimized cooling support, making it a perfect choice for users who want their build to look as impressive as it performs. The three-sided glass design provides a panoramic view of your components, turning your PC into a centerpiece on your desk. Inside, the dual-chamber layout separates the power supply and storage drives from the main components, improving airflow and keeping the interior clean. This design also simplifies cable management, allowing you to hide cables in the rear chamber for a more organized look. The case supports multiple fan and radiator configurations, ensuring your system stays cool even under heavy workloads. Whether you're running powerful graphics cards or overclocked processors, the airflow design helps maintain stable temperatures. The compact size makes it suitable for smaller setups without sacrificing functionality. Despite its reduced footprint, it still accommodates high-end hardware and large cooling solutions. Installation is straightforward, with well-placed mounting points and easy access to components. The case is also built with high-quality materials, giving it a premium feel that matches its sleek design. Overall, the Lian O11 Vision Compact PC case is a stylish and functional option that combines aesthetics with smart design, making it ideal for users who want a clean and visually striking build. Next, we have the Corsair 4000D RS ARGB Frame Modular Case. The Corsair 4000D RS ARGB Frame Modular Case is built for performance-focused users who want flexibility and strong airflow. With modular frame system, high airflow front panel, and ARGB fan integration, this case offers a great balance between customization and cooling efficiency. The modular design allows you to adjust internal components and layouts to suit your specific needs, making it highly versatile for different builds. Airflow is one of the biggest strengths of this case. The front panel is engineered to maximize air intake, ensuring that your components remain cool even during demanding tasks. Combined with ARGB fans, you not only get efficient cooling, but also vibrant lighting effects that enhance the overall look of your setup. The lighting can be customized to match your theme, adding a personal touch to your build. The interior is designed with user convenience in mind. It features ample space for graphics cards, multiple storage options, and support for both air and liquid cooling solutions. Overall, the Corsair 4000D RS ARGB Frame Modular Case delivers excellent cooling, customization options, and solid build quality, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of PC builds. Next, we have the Height Y70 Touch Infinite Dual Chamber PC Case. The Height Y70 Touch Infinite Dual Chamber PC case takes innovation to the next level with its unique features and premium design. It includes integrated touchscreen display, dual chamber architecture, and panoramic glass design, making it one of the most advanced PC cases available. The built-in touchscreen allows you to monitor system stats, display custom visuals, or even control certain functions, adding a futuristic element to your setup. The dual-chamber design keeps the main component separate from the power supply and cables, improving airflow and keeping the interior clean. This layout also makes cable management easier, allowing you to achieve a professional-looking build with minimal effort. The panoramic glass panels provide a stunning view of your components from multiple angles, making it ideal for showcasing high-end hardware and RGB lighting. Cooling performance is also impressive. The case supports multiple fans and large radiators, ensuring that even the most powerful systems remain cool under load. The spacious interior accommodates large graphics cards and advanced cooling solutions, giving you the flexibility to build a high-performance machine without limitations. Overall, the Height Y70 Touch Infinite Dual-Chamber PC case is a cutting-edge option that combines innovation, aesthetics, and performance, making it perfect for enthusiasts who want a truly unique and powerful build. The last one on our list is the Lian LanCool 207 Compact ATX RGB Gaming Computer Case. The Lian LanCool 207 Compact ATX RGB Gaming Computer Case is a compact yet powerful solution for modern PC builders. It features compact ATX design, high-performance airflow, and pre-installed RGB fans, offering an excellent balance between size and capability. Despite its smaller footprint, it provides enough space for high-end components, making it a great choice for users who want performance without a bulky case. Airflow is optimized with strategically placed vents and fan mounts, ensuring efficient cooling throughout the system. The included RGB fans not only enhance cooling, but also add a vibrant visual element to your build. This makes it an attractive option for gamers who want both performance and style. The interior layout is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and usability. It supports modern hardware, including large graphics cards and advanced cooling solutions, while maintaining a compact form factor. Cable management is made easier with dedicated routing paths, helping you keep your build clean and organized. Build quality is another highlight, with durable materials that ensure long-term reliability. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well into various setups without taking up too much space. Installation is straightforward, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced builders. Overall, the Lian LanCool 207 Compact ATX RGB Gaming Computer Case delivers strong performance, efficient cooling, and a space-saving design, making it an excellent option for compact builds. So, that's it for the best PC cases you can choose from. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.